Man is least himself when he talks in his own person. Give him a mask and he will tell the truth. I can resist everything except temptation. A man's face is his autobiography. A woman's face is her work of fiction. True friends step you in the front. Always forgive your enemies. Nothing annoys them so much. Anyone who lives within their means suffers from a lack of imagination. Art is the most intense mode of individualism that the world has known. You don't love someone for their looks or their clothes or their fancy car, but because they sing a song only you can hear. I am not young enough to know everything. The only difference between the saint and the sinner is that every saint has a past and every sinner has a future. I have the simplest of tastes. I am always satisfied with the best. I am so clever that sometimes I don't understand a single word of what I am saying. To love oneself is the beginning of a lifelong romance. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. There is only one thing in the world worse than being talked about, and that is not being talked about. To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that's all. I can never travel without my diary. One should always have something sensational to read on the train. You can never be overdressed or overeducated. The truth is rarely pure and never simple. Some cause happiness wherever they go, others whenever they go. When I was young, I thought that money was the most important thing in life. Now that I am old, I know that it is. There are only two tragedies in life. One is not getting what one wants, and the other is getting it. A dreamer is one who can only find his way by moonlight, and his punishment is that he sees the dawn before the rest of the world. Ambition is the last refuge of the failure. Experience is simply the name we give our mistakes. Between man and woman, there is no friendship possible. There is passion, enmity, worship, love, but no friendship. Children begin by loving their parents. After a time, they judge them. Rarely, if ever, do they forgive them. Education is an admirable thing, but it is well to remember from time to time that nothing that is worth knowing can be taught. When the gods wish to punish us, they answer our prayers. All women become like their mothers. That is their tragedy. No man does. That's his. The books that the world calls immoral are books that show the world its own shame. Most people are other people. Their thoughts are someone else's opinions. Their lives a mimicry. Their passions a quotation. Memory is the diary that we all carry about with us. Keep love in your heart. A life without it is like a sunless garden when the flowers are dead. Work is the curse of the drinking classes. To lose one parent may be regarded as a misfortune. To lose both looks like carelessness. Life imitates art far more than art imitates life. We are all in the gutter, but some of us are looking at the stars. Women are made to be loved, not understood. Men always want to be a woman's first love. Women like to be the man's last romance. Life is never fair, and perhaps it is a good thing for most of us that it is not. Success is a science. If you have the conditions, you get the result. The world is a stage, but the play is badly cast. It is only the modern that ever becomes old-fashioned. It is absurd to divide people into good and bad. People are either charming or tedious. One of many lessons that one learns in prison is that things are what they are and will be what they will be. Beauty is the only thing that time cannot harm. Philosophies fall away like sand. Creeds follow one another. But what is beautiful is a joy for all seasons, a possession for all eternity. I always pass on good advice. It is the only thing to do with it. It is never of any use to oneself. What is a cynic? A man who knows the price of everything and the value of nothing. No man is rich enough to buy back his past. It is better to be beautiful than to be good, but it is better to be good than to be ugly. It is through art, and through art only, that we can release our perfection. Society exists only as a mental concept. In the real world, there are only individuals. Life is far too important a thing ever to talk seriously about. A man can be happy with any woman as long as he does not love her. Art is the most intense mode of individualism that the world has known. Selfishness is not living as one wishes to live. It is asking others to live as one wishes to live. The old believe everything. The middle-aged suspect everything. The young know everything. Thank you so much for watching until the end. And if there's any more quote you would like to add, please leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to join our big family, so you won't miss out on any notes of quotes. To share it to your friends so they can use the knowledge too. And until the next time, stay in knowledge mode.